Snowflakes are all falling, filling up the ground. Time to make a snowman with snow that's all around. Put the snow together, roll and roll and roll the ball. Let's build a snowman until he's standing tall. Building up the snowman, Grandpa has come to play. Get the stuff together, helping us today. Add the head and arms and the buttons made of coal. He's a friend made of snow with the carrot for his nose. Our snowman's nearly ready when Susie comes to stay. What should we do together now to play? Let's run out to the snowman, add his gloves and hat. Draw a funny face and don't let him go splat. Now the snowman is finished. He's ready now to play. Dance around together, this is what we say. I'm a funny, silly snowman with a flippy, floppy hat. I can shake my hands like this and dance around like that.
Blow, blow, blowy wind on an autumn day. Blow the leaves off all the trees and blow my hat away. Blow, blow, blowy wind on an autumn day. Blow the leaves off all the trees and blow my hat away. The leaves on the trees are yellow, orange and red. Be careful if you shake the tree, they might fall on your head. Blow, blow, blowy wind on an autumn day. Blow the leaves off all the trees and blow my hat away. Now it's raining. That means there'll be muddy puddles. I love rainy weather. Don't you?